Hi, I'm Jack from IKO. While you may know IKO is a global leader in the manufacturing of residential and commercial roofing products, our family-owned company was actually started in Canada in 1951. We made our first asphalt shingle in 1954 and haven't looked back. Today, IKO has over 15 North American manufacturing plants, which are built on over 2 million square feet of operational excellence, strategically located throughout the US and Canada. The products that are made in these facilities serve all 50 US states, 10 Canadian provinces, and are exported to over 40 countries across the globe. We're grateful that our company's founders prioritized vertical integration. Because IKO controls most of the processes and materials that go into making our high-quality roofing products, we avoid many of the challenges of supply chain disruption and product shortages that others might face during difficult times. Think about what goes into a shingle. IKO manufactures our own glass fibers and integrates those fibers into premium fiberglass mat. IKO grinds our own mineral stabilizers and mines our own granules as well. IKO is also unique in the fact that we oxidize and store asphalt on location at all roofing manufacturing plants. The commitment to vertical integration paves the way for IKO to manufacture a finished product that meets an unprecedented level of quality and consistency. But what does that mean for you? IKO offers in-house quality control for consistent, superior products, resulting in fewer costly returns, callbacks, or delays for distributors and contractors. And you always deal directly with us. If there's a problem somewhere in the supply chain, we will likely own it. With our practically everything under one roof approach, we can ensure convenient ordering and faster product delivery. Vertical integration matters not only to you, the contractor, but to your customers as well. Vertical integration benefits homeowners because the efficiencies gained by IKO enable us to cost-effectively manufacture an asphalt-rich, heavyweight shingle product with an unprecedented level of color consistency. In other words, IKO makes a better finished product. Want to learn more? Check out our videos or reach out to your local IKO sales rep today.